to reduce your loss on sunpump.meme, then trade using Sunswap. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you and guiding you on how to trade meme coin on sunpump.meme by reducing your losses. And the only way to do that is to trade coins listed on Sunswap. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I publish new crypto content, you can be the first to receive it. All right, so let's get started. To do that, you need a wallet called Tron. Okay, you need so if you are using a smartphone, if you are using a smartphone, if you are using an iPhone, go to App Store and type Tron and download and install the application. If you are using Android, go to Play Store and do the same thing. Okay, now you have it. You have Tron. Okay, you have the wallet, and the next thing to do is to deposit. Okay, deposit coin or deposit TRX, which is the native coin of this chain, TRX, into the wallet. And once you have that, then that is fine. So we'll be using an example. We're buying a coin called Sun Wukong. Okay, Sun Wukong. We are buying this coin because the founder of Tron chain change his profile pics into this. A meme coin was created, so that means there's a possibility that this coin could moon. All right, so what I'm trying to explain to you is that before you buy the coin, there's a reason, there's a thesis behind it. All right, so now that we have found a coin to buy, okay, we'll be buying this coin. Now it's listed on Sunswap. So what we need is the contract address. I'll copy the contract address and go to Sunswap. Okay, so this is Sunswap. You click Sunswap is spelled as sunswap.com, or within the wallet, if you're using mobile phone, just go to your to the browser section and type Sunswap. Okay, so here we have it. Different stuff here, but I want to start from the beginning. I'll disconnect so that you can understand how. Okay, so this is disconnected already. So I will connect. So that means I'm connecting. I'm using Tron disconnected. Okay, so I'm swapping from TRX to the new token. This I'll click on this arrow pointing. I'll click on the arrow, then I'll paste the contract address. Okay, this will come. Yeah. Then how many tokens do I want to swap? Let's say I want to test it by swapping one token. Okay, I'll swap one TRX. Then I'll have this number 10. Okay, let's do 2. I'll have 22 units of Sun Wukong. Then I'll go ahead. Click on confirm. So I'll confirm. I'll sign. I'll confirm. Good. So it's pending. You can view the transaction on Tron scan. Okay. So this is the detail of the transaction. It's showing unconfirmed. That means it has not been confirmed. Okay, but it's showing transaction completed. Which should we believe? Okay, let's see if. All right. So that is basically how to swap it. Then once I've made profit and I want to swap back, all I need to do is to swap from some Wukong back to TRX. Then I'll click here again and I will confirm, and that will be all. So this is simply how to trade using Sunswap. When you are buying, you are copying the contract address. Okay, and when you copy the contract address, you come to Sunswap, then convert your TRX token to that coin you buy. To sell, you do the opposite. So I'm going to use Dex2 to do the same trade so you can watch it again. I'm still using Sunswap, so we have to start from the beginning. Okay, we disconnect and connect back. Okay, we connect back. I want to buy 1 unit worth of this token. Then I'll click on swap. I'll click on confirm. I'll click on sign. Okay, so it's pending. Swap completed. So what I need to do once I've bought it, what I need to do in order to sell, I'll do. Okay, I bought 11. Then I'll click here. Then I'll swap up my to TRX. So this is simply how to trade token. Now the reason why you need to trade token listed on Sunswap is because it has reached the bonding curve. Okay, it's not all token. When you come to this sunpump.meme, you will see you should select token. Always trade token listed on Sunswap. So what it means is that this token have completed the bonding curve, okay, that have met the minimum requirement for it, and they are listed, okay, and the possibility of logging is very, very, very okay, and such token can easily make good money. All right, guys, if you find this content helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with others. All right, there's a video on top of this channel, and the video is about the top new coin that you can make money from. Check it and you find it useful. Coin Dollar has a community, and this community, our goal is to help users or members to make money in crypto on daily. Okay, check the description and you find the link there to join the community. And also, if you are new to crypto, there's a book, a free ebook called Crypto Millionaire. This Crypto Millionaire will guide you on how to start making money. Thank you. Until I come your way next time.